When compared to Hindi, English is a very difficult language to learn. Hindi is 100% phonetic, unlike English. So to make this process simpler, Anandaya Foundation has created books to break down the technique of learning. And this makes it simple and easy for the child to read. All these books make it very simple and easy for the child to read, but breaking down the technique is very necessary. If your library has been created by the Anandaya Foundation, you will find all these books there. After you've helped the child identify the blends in a word, let me show you how can you teach blends to a child. P and L join to make the sound pl. Pl and n, plan. Pl g, plug. Pl or t, plot. Similarly, you can do the other blends using all these books which would be there in your library if it has been created by Anandaya Foundation. These books are a great way to practice the blends. Flag, flag. Flat, flat. Flap, flap. Glad, glad. Plan, plan. Plug, plug. Pluck, pluck. Now here we have the k blend. So it's better to do the k blend in the beginning so that we can have all these words which come later and the children are able to read them much easily. Plant, plant. Plus, plus. So most of the words in this book are phonetic, but for instance a word like plant, this is not phonetic, but it's okay. The child will look at the picture and with a little help be able to start reading these words as well. Okay, so we have many books in these series and it's a very good practice for the child to start reading their words with the blends. Thank you. To purchase Anandaya Foundation books, email to reachus@anandayafoundation.org. For digital books and the tutorials, visit www.anandayafoundation.org.